This walking tour is situated on the traditional territory of the Saugeen Ojibway Nation, which extends from the Nottawasaga River across to Goderich, including the Maitland Valley River system and north to Tobermory. Our territory also includes all of the fishing islands and the waters surrounding the territory. This land was home of the Anishinaabek, understood as the original people. Our language is Anishinabe-Moan. The Three Fires Confederacy, located in the Great Lakes area, consists of the Ojibway or Chippewa, keepers of the faith, the Odawa or Ottawa, keepers of the trade, and the Potawatomi or Potawatomi, keepers of the fire. As Anishinabe, we identified ourselves based on our spirit names given at birth and the connection to our family, clan, or totem. These clans include the Crane and Loon clan, who are of chieftainship, the Bear, who are protectors and healers, the Hooved animals, the kind and gentle people responsible for looking after the social and ceremonial events of the community, the Bird clan, including the Eagle, who are the spiritual leaders and keepers of the knowledge as they have access to the sky world, the Marten, who are the warriors, hunters, and providers, and the Fish clan, including the Turtle, who are the philosophers, intellectuals, and advisors to the chiefs. Essential to our people's way of life is our connection with the land known as Turtle Island. The cycles and seasons of the earth are represented in the medicine wheel. We are seasonal wanderers of the land and water, harvesting wild rice, netting fish, and trapping small and large game. Our way of life was based in spirituality, plant-based medicine, dance, music, and art, and a belief that we are all part of creation, nurtured by our mother, the earth. Everything changed for the Anishinaabek when reserve life was introduced by the forceful removal from our traditional lands and the imposition of the Indian Act.